Typing on a path. Another way to create type in Illustrator CS6 is to enter type along a path. You can type along any path you make with the pencil, pen, and even the shape tools. To type along a path, do the following. 1. Start by drawing a path on the artboard. 2. Select the path type tool from the toolbox and click anywhere on the path to start your text at that spot on the path. Adjust the position of the type along and path by positioning the selection tool over the start, middle, or end of the type bracket until a small arrow icon appears. 4. Click and drag to the desired position. 5. When finished, you can move the type with the selection tool. Note, after typing on the path will have no stroke or fill.